Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, let's embark on a wonderful journey to learn some amazing things about Islam, our beautiful faith. Islam is one of the world's major religions, and it teaches us how to live a good and peaceful life. It was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over 1400 years ago. One of the most important things in Islam is the 5 pillars. These are like the building blocks of our faith. Let's explore them together. The first pillar is Shahada, which means faith. It's the belief that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. This simple statement is at the heart of being a Muslim. The second pillar is Salah, or prayer. Muslims pray 5 times a day to stay connected with Allah. It's a special time to pause and remember our Creator. The third pillar is Zakat, or charity. Islam teaches us to help those in need. By giving a part of our wealth to the less fortunate, we spread kindness and compassion. The fourth pillar is Psalm, which is fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. Muslims fast from dawn until sunset to learn self-discipline and empathy for the hungry. The fifth pillar is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. Every Muslim who is able should try to make this journey at least once in their lifetime. It's a time of unity and devotion. Another important part of Islam is the Quran. This holy book is filled with guidance from Allah. Learning its teachings helps us understand how to live righteous lives. Islam also emphasizes community and family. We celebrate together during holidays like Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, sharing joy and blessings with everyone. And remember, Islam teaches us to be kind, honest, and respectful to everyone. By following these teachings, we can make the world a better place. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn about Islam. Let's always strive to be the best versions of ourselves. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for watching. May peace and blessings be upon you. Subscribe for more Islamic knowledge.